Welcome to 60-Second Civics from the Center for Civic Education. I'm Mark Gage. The Declaration of Independence, the U.S. Constitution, and the Bill of Rights had a significant influence on the United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Provisions in the Universal Declaration of the Right to Life and Equality echoed the U.S. Declaration of Independence of 1776. The prohibition of ex post facto laws, the affirmation of the equivalent of habeas corpus, and the equal protection of the law reflect the body of the U.S. Constitution and amendments in addition to the Bill of Rights. Other guarantees in the Universal Declaration reflect the Bill of Rights, such as those related to freedom of religion, speech, assembly, and association, as well as property rights, prohibition of torture, and the sanctity of home and correspondence. That's all for today's podcast, 60 Second Civics, where civic engagement only takes a minute.